Hi, I'm Richard, an avatar working for BlueCallom GPTBlue as a brand new prompt developing, testing, and deployment solution. It helps prompt engineers to develop high-performance, high-productivity prompts. I'm sure you know that a prompt is the most strategic connection between mind and machine. The concept of GPTBlue is simple. As a prompt engineer or developer, you decide who you are writing the prompts for. For yourself, which is not very likely, for teammates in your company, for customers who hired you, or for a broader market. With that understanding, you develop a prompt that can be used by people who are not prompt engineers and just execute your prompt with some unique task-specific data. This may be a monthly marketing plan, a daily social media plan, a product return procedure, and so forth. Now you want to test it, oftentimes together with your audience, and finally deploy it. This may be a company-wide prompt library, the prompt library of your customer, or a public prompt library like the BlueCallom Exchange, or your own public prompt library. Let's start developing a prompt. On your left side, you see your profile, and below is a list of prompt objects that you can integrate into the prompt. On the top are all prompt-related controls. Select an object to your left, and you can enter the content for that object. For instance, act as a top financial advisor, then define the environment like I'm at a beach in the Bahamas, or I'm a marketing manager in XYZ and responsible for an NN. When you are finished, save the prompt and test it. And finally, you deploy it to a library you have access to. When deployed to a library, it may be that whoever manages the library will review the prompt before it is posted, maybe not, but the prompt will end up here, be part of a category, and users can select it. Remember, this could be a public library, a company library only accessible to employees or departments. Now let's see what your audience would do after they picked up the prompt from an internal or external prompt library and added it to their private library. To the lower left of the screenshot behind me, they would see the default prompt and quickly review it. Then they click on the Ask button and just run it. So they see the output and possibly tweak the default text to their needs. One of the powerful features is the prompt productivity meter. The user would type in the number of hours he or she would take when doing the task manually. The system calculates immediately the productivity gain like to 5x based on the time needed to run the prompt versus doing the task manually. When working with GPTBlue, you will explore many more features. We also developed a whole new business model for those AI solutions to make it easy for anybody to start and any company to enable AI for all employees. The Prompt Studio, where prompts are developed, is free. Also, creating your own library is free. Invite all your employees, business partners, suppliers, and friends. It's free. To run our company, we only charge for usage. A person running 5 prompts per day on every workday, the monthly cost would be around €5. If those prompts are more expensive high-performance prompts, it may be €12 per month. Here is a use case where we use generative AI on a vast sales network, linking 75 vendors with 50+ distributors and 40,000+ resellers who employ a total of 400,000 salespeople servicing over 100 million customers. AI's role is to enhance efficiency across indirect sales channels, optimize processes. The expected productivity gain across all players in this network is an estimated to $1 billion annually. Thank you very much. You can try GPTBlue right away. Just visit BlueCallom.ai. Log in with LinkedIn, creates your account, and you find the next GPTBlue bootcamp on our website, BlueCallom.com.